What?
Oh, my darling, I am so excited for Valentine's Day.
What?
Yeah, Valentine's Day.
Why Valentine's Day?
Well, because I know you have something special planned for me. I know you have cards and so much stuff.
Wait, do you want me to make you a pop-out card?
Yes, I would absolutely love that.
What? How do you make one? Ten seconds later. Are you okay?
No. I need help.
With a card?
Yes.
What? I mean in a pop-out card or a normal card?
Yes.
A pop-out card? Well, first you need glue, scissors, and if you want you could use stickers.
Oh.
Step 1, cut. Step 2, fold in half. Step 3, cut a strip in the middle so it can pop out. Step 4, cut a strip so you can glue it on and cover up the hole. Step 5, glue whatever you want on the pop out part. We put a flower. Step 6, write your message. Step 7, now you can decorate however you want.
Valentine's Day.